Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Prajapati. In this video, I built assignment for subscription-based newsletter sign up. There, I deploy this website on Netlify. I also put this link on my GitHub's repo, which is there. When we click on this link, it redirects us on website. In this website, first we create an home page which show the users exclusive content or benefits. There we create 3 buttons like sign up, subscribe now and get start now. When user click on it, their sign up page is open. There we show free monthly annually subscriptions, a form which has name and email. Let's create an booking so we test our payment gateways. Let's select payment gateway as a result. This is test model, so we select net banking, Bank of Baroda. So this is test model, so we can option failure or success. Let's success this. Our payment is successful. Now this redirects us on thank you page. Let's see the database. This entry is confirmed or not. This is our database which has 13 users now. Let's refresh this page. Now we show 14 users. And this is the booking which we create. This is the payment status which is paid and payment amount is 299 which we select. Let's check the strike. So go to the form. Let's select annually. There also create a new user 1. Let's select pay with Stripe. There this page is open. Now we select on test numbers which I also provide in my readme file. This information is random for test purpose. And it redirects us on thank you for subscribing. So this is our website which is worked perfectly. And let's go to GitHub. There I put all the necessary details on this readme file where you can see link of the website and the screenshots which I used by Cloudinary. Let's click on this. This screenshot is shown by this and this is, and I also put the credentials for the testing of payment gateways. Thank you.